What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Sitting here driving with Maeve and Nixon.
Oh my gosh, Nixon! Follow that car! Follow that car! Follow that car! Wait, we have the same car! Follow it! Follow! 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 I just saw him say that to us. Oh my god.
It's a bumpy ride, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa, Nixon! Stay on the track!
Stay on the track, Nixon. You're really good at it.
He's good at driving?
Yeah. I have my driver's license. I can see trees.
Yeah.
Wow. Pretty clean. I like it.
It's pretty here, huh? Look at, there's an astronaut up there with a boat and an RV.
But that's a bird.
Look at his boat. He's got a little boat. Oh, there's another spaceman. It's the space robot called Osmo.
Oh my god, Nixon, you're really good at this thing.
Oh, what happened? What happened there?
The car makes me crash.
Well, you gotta watch where you're driving.
Yeah, you got it. I have my driver's license so I can drive my tie-dye car. Not too many. Or you practice car. Then it'll just broken.
All right, we're going under the bridge, guys. We're off-roading now. We're off the trail. We're on rocks.
Oh my